Using Google Drive gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to add funds to your Google account for storage upgrades or other services. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Visit the Google website and sign into your Google account using your email and password. Ensure you are using the account linked to your Google Drive. Step 2. Navigate to the Google Play Store. Once signed in, go to the Google Play Store. You can find it by searching for Google Play in your web browser or by using the app on your mobile device. Step 3. Access the redeem option. In the Google Play Store, look for the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Click on it and then select Redeem from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Enter your gift card code. You will see a prompt to enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code found on the back of your gift card. Make sure there are no typos and then click Redeem. Step 5. Use your credit for Google Drive. After successfully redeeming the gift card, the funds will be added to your Google account. You can now use this balance to upgrade your Google Drive storage or purchase other Google services as needed. In conclusion, redeeming Google Drive gift cards is a simple process that enhances your storage options. Follow these steps to make the most out of your gift card.